Yo, anime lovers, listen up. Today, I'm showing you how to create your very own anime scenes, straight from your imagination into reality with AI. We're not just talking random images, we're building characters, action, emotions, full anime vibes frame by frame. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be crafting anime worlds like a true creator. Let's dive straight in and bring your story to life.
Right guys, first things first. Open the link in the description or just search klingai.com and head over to their official page. Once you're there, click on Sign In. A new window will pop up. Click Sign In with email. On the next screen, hit the Sign Up for Free button. Now it's going to ask you for a valid Gmail address. No stress, we're going to use a temporary email for this. To get that temp Gmail, go to mailticking.com or just grab the link from my description, whatever's easier for you. Once you're on the Mailticking homepage, click the Change drop-down and select aab2c@gmail.com. A little message box will pop up. Just click OK and you've got your brand new temporary Gmail. Click on the email address to copy it automatically. Now swing back to Kling AI, paste the email address, create a password, confirm the password, and hit Next. You'll get a quick captcha to solve. Knock that out real quick. After that, Kling AI will send a verification code straight to your temp email. Head back to Mailticking, click Check Emails, wait around 5 to 10 seconds, and your Kling AI verification email should show up. Open it, copy the code, paste it back into Kling AI, and hit Sign In. And just like that, your account is officially registered. Skip the survey if it pops up. No need to waste time. And there you go, you're logged in. First step completed. Let's move on. Now from the sidebar, go ahead and click on the Image button. It's going to redirect you straight to the image generation home page. Once you're there, you'll need to start arranging some prompts for your images. Quick tip, make sure your prompts actually include the action your character is doing. This is super important because it'll make things way smoother later when we turn those images into a video. Once you've got your prompt ready, paste it into the prompt box, then select the aspect ratio you want. Heads up, it charges 1 credit per image, so pick your preferred output settings carefully. After that, click Generate. But hold up, what if it says you have 0 credits? Don't panic. That's only because we haven't reloaded the site after signing in. Just reload the page real quick, and boom, you'll see we've got 166 credits ready to go. More than enough for today's work. Now paste your prompt again, double-check the aspect ratio and output settings, and hit Generate. Once you do that, it'll start creating your images. But honestly, we don't have time to just sit and wait for every single one to finish. So we're gonna speedrun it, paste each prompt, set everything up, and keep hitting Generate. I'm fast-forwarding this whole process for you. Once all your images are finally generated, go through each set of 4 outputs. Check carefully which ones match your prompt the best and which ones will look the cleanest when we move into video generation. Once you've made your selections, this step is officially complete. Now comes the most heartwarming step, video generation. Start by opening the best image you selected. Once you have it open, click on the Generate Video button. It'll take you into the Video Generation tool. Here, you'll see an option for an optional prompt. Even though it says optional, we're definitely going to use it, because adding the right prompt will make the video match exactly what we had in mind when we created it. Just copy the same prompt you used earlier, paste it into the box, and hit Generate. It usually takes about 2 minutes to generate a video. But don't worry, I've cut out the waiting time to keep this tutorial fast and smooth for you. And just like that, your first video output is ready. Click on it to watch and check if you're happy with the result. If it looks good, smash that download button and your video will be saved. Now repeat the same process for the rest of your images. Again, I'm fast forwarding through this part to keep things quick and simple. Once you've generated and downloaded videos for all your selected images, your work for today is officially done. Lecture completed, mission accomplished.
And just like that, you're ready to create next-level AI videos like a boss. If you learned even one new thing today, smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed because we're just getting started. New drops coming every week. Tutorials, tricks, and secret hacks you won't find anywhere else. Catch you in the next one. Keep creating, keep winning.